Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software platforms, which is Xero and Zoho Books. So let's get started with a quick analysis. Xero is a global recognized accounting solution designed for small to mid-sized business. It offers advanced features like a double entry bookkeeping, automated bank feed, and integration with over 1,000 third-party apps. Xero also shines for accountant firms and growing companies needing a solid scalability and a global compliance. And talking about Zoho Book, on the other hand, is a part of the Xero suite. It's a powerful yet affordable accounting software tailored for small businesses, freelancers, and those already using a Xero CRM or a Xero inventory. It features a clean interface with a tracking and a project billing while maintaining the tight integration within the Xero's ecosystem. Now, talking about these two platforms are best at, starting with the Xero. Xero is it's best for growing businesses like accounting firm, companies needing a multi-currency or a payroll features. Then talking about the Xero Book is best for freelancers, startups, and a small business already using the Xero product. And here's a viral conclusion about this platform. So you can just pick based on your business need. So if you need a robust features with a global support and extensive integration and a strong accountant collaboration, especially if you are scaling or handling a complex finances, just go for Xero. Then on the other hand, you can go for Zoho Book if you're a small business, if you are a small business, a freelancer, or you are already using Xero other apps and you want a clean, affordable, and all-in-one accounting solution with a built-in project tracking, just go for Zoho Book. So that's it.